Okay, we're talking about attaching the remote cord for the tuck pointing gun to the Small 50. The remote cord for the tuck pointing gun is different than the push button remote cord that's shipped with every Small 50 for pumping operations. This remote cord only comes with the tuck point gun kit. It's as simple as looping under the bar, opening the cover, lining up the notch, and then sliding it up in there tight. You got to push on it and locking it in place. Then to attach the gun to the remote, it's a matter of inserting the male end on the long cord into the female end of the gun. And there is a notch to match up. There it is. Push together and then tighten together using the collar on the female end. Simple as that.